Hello everyone, I am Suchitra Krishnamurthy, Assistant Professor Commerce, Government PG College, Nagraha, Mirzapur. Today I am going to tell you about business environment. So first of all, we should know the meaning of business environment. So business environment has been made up of two words, business and environment. Business means the activity of buying and selling of goods and services with the objective of earning profit through customer satisfaction. So, objective of earning profit is the main element behind any activity to make it a business. Second, environment. Environment refers to a surrounding condition. So, business cannot operate in a vacuum. It is affected by various factors. So, environment are the sum of all those factors which affect the working of business. So, business environment is the sum of all internal and external factors which affect the business decision. In the world of William Gluck and Jock, in environment there are external factors which constantly bring opportunities and threats to the business firm. It includes social, economic, technological and political conditions. So, business environment is being affected by various factors like social, political, technical, economical, demographic and legal. As far as nature of business environment is concerned, it is dynamic, it is complex, it is multidimensional, it is uncontrollable, it is uncertain and it has far-reaching impact. Business environment has two components. First is internal environment and other is external environment. What is internal environment? Internal environment are found within business, means the factors which are present within the business and which are under the control of business. And external environment are the factors which are found outside the business and which are uncontrolled by the business. So, important internal environments are business objectives and goals, managerial policies, production system, level of labor efficiency, management information system and social responsibility. So, these factors can be changed or controlled by the business as per the requirement of business. In external environment, we have two types of environment. First is micro environment and the other is macro environment. In micro environment are those factors which are closely related to business like suppliers, customers, competitors, marketing, intermediaries and public. In macro environment which are somewhat not so close to business but the effective working of business like economic environment, socio-cultural environment, demographic environment, technological environment, natural environment, political environment and international environment. So, what is importance of business environment? Knowledge of strengths and weaknesses, information about opportunities and threats, helpful in determining of objectives of business, long-term growth and survival of business, knowledge about international environment, helpful in diversification of business and optimum utilization of resources. SWOT, a technique of business environmental analysis. So, SWOT, where S stands for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities and T for threat. So, SWOT is a technique through which we can analyze our business environment. In environment, there are various opportunities and threats are available and at the same time we have strengths and weaknesses also. So, in this strengths and weaknesses are internal to business, means like good managerial skills are strength of business, good goals and objectives are strength of business, and good labor power are the strength of business. So these are internal weaknesses. Similarly, lack of funds. So in case of lack of fund, a business can increase its funds through taking loan from the banks, and same way like less number of workers, so it can increase its workers through making new recruitment. So strength and weaknesses are internal factors which can be controlled by the business, and opportunities and threats are external to business. Means opportunities are what are the favorable factors which are present in the environment which can help in increasing the profit of business, like making of helmet compulsory for vehicle has made the helmet manufacturing companies more profit. So through this it can increase the profit by producing more helmets. Same the way, any restriction by the government in a particular production is threat to that business which are producing that commodities. The environment, both opportunities and threats are present. So it is the efficiency of business that it can make use of the opportunities and threats present in the business, which can be done through the environment analysis. So SWOT analysis must be done by every business in order to increase its profit and survive in the long run in market. Thank you all.